Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm still here, still around. I know I've been MIA for a few weeks, and that's why I thought I'd do this little update video, just kind of tell you, where I've been and what I got coming out and what our future projects are, and kind of just get you caught up on everything, let you know that I'm still here. We had the holidays, we had Christmas, and then we had New Year's, so I spent a lot of time with the family. That kind of threw me behind a little bit. And then speaking of family, we actually had our little girl. So we had an addition to our family, and that has been a joy and a wonder and a mess and a learning experience and everything else. So I'm really enjoying that, and I'm trying to work in the video making, the editing back into my schedule. So that's why I got behind. So talking about editing, I do have a lot of videos that are already recorded that just need to be edited. I think I've got like 6 or so, maybe 7 that are just ready for editing. The first one that'll be coming out, should be coming out this weekend, is the Ultimate Air System for the Gladiator. I'm really excited for y'all to check that system out. It's pretty awesome. I'm excited about it. It came out great. It works great. A lot of options with it. So that's gonna be a great video. I'm excited for it. After that, I've still got the Poison Spider video from our trip to Moab all the way back in September. We got a lot of great footage on that trail. I think I have somewhere around 10 hours of footage for that one trail. So I'm gonna try to get that cut down into a 20-minute video. We got a lot of handheld footage, so I think that'll be a really good video. Out of the trails that we hit in Moab, that is by far my favorite. So I'm excited to get that one done. Just a lot of editing on those trail videos. So after that, we've got the ZR2 Colorado is back in, and we got new upper control arms put on that. That truck is amazing, so I'm excited for you to see that one. And then we also did a really big project on the Tacoma. We finally got it re-geared down to 529s. So that was a good in-depth video of doing a re-gear. We ordered everything from East Coast Gear Supply. So if you're looking forward to that one, I'm gonna try to get that one edited here before too long and get it out. And then also we did a few things to the TJ. So my dad's little project TJ that he got, we did a short throw shifter on it, and then we replaced some front axle seals. Kind of just still in the process of just getting it a little more roadworthy, a little bit more fun to drive, and haven't really got into the hardcore off-road modifications yet. Just right now, just kind of working on that basic stuff. So those are the videos that I've already got recorded, and all those are just sitting in there waiting on me to get in there and edit them. So I was going to talk briefly about what our future projects are. The biggest one for me, and I think I probably will make just like an update video on it, is I'm finally moving forward with the shop. So that's gonna be a big project for me here at home, especially dealing with the new baby and everything else. I'm gonna be getting some equipment out there and getting our shop put up. I'm really excited about that. It's gonna take a little while. It's gonna be a long process, but I'm hoping by the end of the year, I've got that thing almost to where I want it to be, with a lift in there and everything else. So I'm excited to start that and finally get my shop up. Now, on the other side of things, we have a few other good projects coming up. A little bit different from what you've seen in videos that I've already done, but we've got a leveling kit on a F250. So, maybe you got a tow rig or something and you want to get a good leveling kit on it. So that'll be a quick, easy video. Shouldn't be too hard. And then we have the Tacoma that you've seen on the channel several times. We've kind of been working through this process, doing different things, and what we're doing is we're working towards the end goal of having 35s on that truck. So we started with the lift kit. We threw in a few overlanding mods. We did the bed rack and some other stuff. And then we did the re-gear, which I haven't got it out to you yet, but you'll see it soon enough. Got it down to 529s. And then the next project that we have is a new inner fender kit from C4, which you might think inner fender is not a big deal, but with this kit, you actually cut off the factory front body mount and weld on a newer, smaller body mount. So that'll be a pretty big project whenever we do that one. Gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm excited to get that done because after that, he's ready for new wheels and tires. We did the re-gear, did the lift, did the inner fender. There will be no rubbing, and that truck's gonna look phenomenal with some 35s under it. So that's the scheduled projects I have coming up. And then I know a lot of people are probably curious, they haven't seen our JL in any videos in quite some time. So for us in our 2024 Rubicon X, looking at doing some more molly panels in the rear. And then I'm gonna do a video on a first aid kit that I think everybody should carry one, whether it's for you, whether it's for somebody else, you should always have a good kit and you should know, kind of what you need in that kit. So I thought I'd just do a good video on a first aid kit that is good for a trail rig or any vehicle really. And then we're looking at doing some rocker armor, you know, the kind of the skin armor that goes underneath the doors there. We've already got a good rock chip down there, so I want to do some aluminum panels there. Those are a little nerve-wracking because we actually have to drill into the side of our Jeep right through the paint to throw some nut certs in there and mount those. So that's a little nerve-wracking. And then I want to do some inner fenders and probably a fender chop, which is another nerve-wracking modification because you can't change it. Once it's done, it's done. There is no going back unless you order brand new fenders from Jeep. But I think those things are gonna give the Jeep a brand new appearance. Definitely gonna give us more clearance in the wheel wells in case we decided to move up to 40s once we get our lift kit on and everything like that. So this was just a quick update, like I said, about, you know, kind of where I've been and what we got coming out. And I really appreciate everybody for following me and subscribing to the channel. It's been phenomenal. It's been fun, and I promise I'll get back into getting those videos out every week or every other week. So again, thank you for watching. Make sure you like them, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.